At Technodigm, we aim to change the way you experience fluid dispensing. With a modular approach, you're welcomed into our realm of continuous evolution. IDS 2000 series, latest technology on linear actuators and motors with closed-loop feedback. Your first choice for fast and accurate line dispensing. Non-contact, high-speed and high-accuracy jetting valve dispense a wide range of fluids. The volumes as small as 0.5 nanoliters. Eliminate Z-axis movement to achieve faster production and higher output. Definitely improve your production processes. Here, we are showing dotting dispensing using NV200 needle valve. Built to provide flexibility so whether it is a low or high viscous fluid, or all kinds of inks, solvents, silicone, UV light curable adhesives and even grease. Be it shot, beads, dotting, dam and fill or even encapsulation, this needle valve is a game changer. Technodigm IDS series can check the PCB height using its precision laser. And compensate the needle clearance for accuracy. Fiducial check. Using camera to capture the markings and automatically compensate the dispensing position for greater accuracy. Needle height check. Using high precision touch probe to calibrate and compensate the needle with a press of a button. IDS series have the ability to check dispensing profile using laser. And display real-time graph for engineers to monitor the product quality. Our software is based on Windows. For easy programming and learning. It has simple, user-friendly interface. Engineers will find it easy to program different applications for production operator to use it. Welcome to Technodigm, your dispensing and UV technology expert. Contact us today for a consultation.